Hello and welcome. I am Kevin Kennedy, Senior Manager, Spectrum Policy and Development in the Commission for Communications Regulation, COMREG. This presentation is presentation one of a series of 5 presentations on the Multiband Spectrum Award for rights of use in the 700 MHz duplex, 2.1 GHz, 2.3 GHz and 2.6 GHz bands. On behalf of the Commissioners and COMREG staff, I would like to thank you for viewing these presentations. The purpose of these presentations is to provide as much clarity as is possible in sessions like these on the award process and auction rules, noting that some interested parties may not have previously participated in similar processes. These presentations will provide an overview of the award process, highlighting its key features, walk through the auction stages of the award process from the perspective of a bidder, i.e. the main stage and the assignment stage, explore the main stage auction rules, including the activity rules, the supplementary bids, and the consequences of the rules for winner determination and pricing, and explain how assignment options will be created and how bids can be made in the assignment stage for specific frequency ranges. In addition to these presentations, and as discussed in presentation 2, there is also an opportunity for interested parties to submit questions on the award process and auction rules, and COMREG will also provide bidder training later in the award process prior to the commencement of the auction. As these presentations are intended to provide an overview only, it is important that interested parties fully familiarise themselves with relevant COMREG documents for this award, as well as any further information provided in answers to questions published as part of this award process. 3 relevant COMREG documents are listed on this slide. Firstly, following a detailed and extensive consultation process, on the 18th of December 2020, COMREG finalised its response to consultation and decision on the award process in COMREG document 20122. COMREG's Decision 11 of 2020, is contained in Chapter 10 of that document. Secondly, on the 14th of January 2021, an appeal of the above decision was lodged by Tree Ireland Hutchinson Limited and Tree Ireland Services Hutchinson Limited. The appeal has a hearing date of the 2nd of June 2021 and is scheduled to run for 5 days. This information is noted in COMREG document 2104-R. The lodging of this appeal does not in itself affect the taking effect of Decision 11 of 2020 or steps being taken to implement it. Thirdly, on the 16th of April 2021, COMREG published the Information Memorandum, or the IM, for this award process, COMREG document 2140. The IM details the processes and procedures that COMREG is employing to implement Decision 11 of 2020. Although the IM is similar in layout to information memoranda employed by COMREG in previous Spectrum awards, I would highlight that this IM has been prepared by reference to this current award process, including taking account of the circumstances associated with the appeal of Decision 11 of 2020 and COVID-19 restrictions. For example, and as will be discussed in presentation 2, the application procedures for this award are different to those used previously. All interested parties should therefore make themselves familiar with this IM in its entirety, and in particular should not rely upon knowledge of earlier information memoranda. Finally, all documents relevant to this award are available on COMREG's Spectrum Awards webpage. So turning now to the agenda for these presentations. There are 5 presentations in total. Presentation 1, the welcome and agenda, is this presentation. Presentation 2 gives an overview of the award process and sets the scene for the presentations that follow. Presentations 3 and 4 are given by Dottie Conn, COMREG's expert economic and auction design consultants for this award. These presentations will walk you through the auction stages of the award process, i.e. the main stage and the assignment stage, and give a brief demonstration of how to use the electronic auction system, the EAS, to enter and check bid decisions. Finally, presentation 5 briefly sets out the next steps in the award process, highlighting the opportunity for interested parties to submit Phase 1 questions. Links to these presentations have been placed on Comreg's Spectrum Awards webpage. I thank you for your attention and now invite you to view Presentation 2, Overview of the Award.